Hey traders, Andrew Oko here, and in this video lecture, I'm going to show you exactly how to cut down on your trading fees on the Binance and hobby trading platforms. You should already know that every time you buy and sell an altcoin on the Binance and hobby trading platforms that you pay a fee. So when you buy an altcoin with your Bitcoin, you pay a trading fee. And when you sell your altcoin to get back your Bitcoin, you also pay a trading fee. Most times, trading fees can cut down on your profits if you don't already know. But right now, you can cut down on your trading fees on the Binance and hobby trading platforms if you own the Binance BNB token and the hobby token. Binance and hobby trading platforms actually developed their own local token to enable the users of their platform pay trading fees at discounted rates. So in order to cut down on your trading fees, as you will be continuously trading on the Binance and hobby trading platforms, you need to first buy the BNB if you want to trade on the Binance trading platform, and the hobby token if you want to trade on the hobby trading platform for a discounted fee payment. But before we get into more altcoin slash Bitcoin trading activities, your first trade on the Binance or hobby trading platform is to buy their token solely for discounted fee trading fee payments. So if this is the first time you are actually trading on the Binance or hobby trading platforms, go ahead and buy one BNB for Binance discounted trading fee payments and 5 hobby token for hobby discounted fee payments. So log into your Binance account and then click on the Trades tab. On the Trades tab, click on the Advanced tab. As you click on the Advanced tab, right here you can see the order or the order form. Right here, it's where you can place your buy order for the BNB in order to pay discounted trading fees. And then for the hobby trading platform, you have to highlight the spot trading and then click on the exchange for you to select the hobby token in order to pay less fee on the hobby trading platform. Because right now, as you can see, you can trade, you have lots of trades and altcoin you can actually buy with your Bitcoin, but every time you buy this altcoin, you have to pay a fee. And that's why it's very important to have the hobby token already in your hobby token wallets. So that way you can pay discounted trading fees every time you buy and sell an altcoin. So on the Binance trading platform, if you click on the select the ticker, actually I want you to select the BNB trading, BNB against BTC, BNB against BTC, and then click it. Once you click it, you see the charts here, and then just move over to the buy order form right here. I want you to click the market order. We don't have to wait for you to buy just one BNB. That's why I want you to click the market order to buy just one BNB for fee payment. Every time you buy an altcoin on the Binance platform, you pay a fee. So click on one BNB, and then as you can see, I'm not logged in already, but once you click on the one BNB, click buy button, and that way you will buy one BNB solely for the purpose of paying fees on the Binance trading platform. As you can see, there are lots of altcoins to trade, and I'll be diving into how to actually perform deep technical analysis of any altcoin that you will be trading on the Binance trading platform. But right away, I want you to buy the BNB, one BNB first. That way you can pay less fee every time you participate on a trading activity on the Binance platform. And on the hobby platform, I want you to also buy the hobby token. It's very easy. Click the market. I don't want you to use the limit order. Click the market order and then click on 5, of course. I want you to buy 5 hobby tokens. Click on 5 and then I am not logged in already. If you were logged in, you will be able to click on the buy high hobby token immediately. So that's it. Now that you have the hobby token already in your hobby token wallet for solely for fee payments, the next thing that you've got to do is to get ready to start trading altcoins and Bitcoin on the Binance and hobby trading platforms. I'm giving you an assurance that we will make money in this market. I don't care what happens in the market. Actually, you got into this course because you want to make money, and that's why I am trading, and that's why I am teaching you how to do this. I'll show you how to perform deep technical analysis using candlestick price chart data to perform proper technical analysis. We don't buy an altcoin just anyhow. You have to perform deep technical analysis before you buy the altcoin, because you might be buying an altcoin at a very high price, and that way you will be set for a loss. But if you buy an altcoin at the very least price levels, you might be setting for a huge profit. And that's why I am making this course. That's why I am making these videos to help you get into altcoin slash Bitcoin trading business. It's a very profitable business. I have been in this business over the years. I started trading cryptocurrencies back in the year 2015, and it's been an amazing journey for me. It's been a huge profit making opportunity for me. So see you in the next video lecture.